Wow, it's alphabets A to Z. Capital letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Again, A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for green. H for house. I for ice cream. Z for jackfruit. K for kangaroo. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nest. O for owl. P for potato. Q for Quran. R for rain. S for sweet. T for taxi. U for umbrella. V for van. W for water. X for X-ray. Y for yarn. Z for xylophone. Orange color, sky blue color, pink color, red color, gray color, black color, green color, dairy color, yellow color, blue color, purple color, green color. Thank you.